This woman is ready to fight.
The following contest is a tag team match set for one fall. Introducing first, from Dallas, Texas, Akira!
One of the most dangerous and threatening individuals in all WWE.
On that, we can agree, Cole.
Well, the WWE Universe doesn't sound like they agree.
Well, they also don't sound like they have two brain cells to rub together between the thousands of them, Saxton.
That's not nice.
A woman meant for the highlight reel. She plans on even more excitement tonight.
Gentlemen, pay respects to your double champion.
I already am.
Well, double your respects then.
And her partner, from Boston, Massachusetts, the All-Star Eastern Wrestling Television Champion and the Ring of Honor Women's Television.
Gentlemen, I think she's about to start a fight.
And from Gold Coast, Australia, Harry Camera!
The WWE Universe more than ready to see this one start. This is going to be good.
She is ready for this big match.
And from Long Island, New York, Willow.
Just look at the swagger on display. I love it.
Swagger. Really, Saxton? You know a number of people in the back just despise this superstar.
Well, the WWE Universe clearly disagrees with you, Corey.
Oh, and what else is new?
Such an incredible journey for this woman, but she knows a win tonight will take her even further.
So many successful Hall of Fame superstars originally started out in tag teams. Byron, think we might see the makings of a breakout performer here?
Oh, there's definitely a chance, Michael. But it's just as likely that we see a team take that next step toward greatness. That's the beauty of tag team wrestling. You get to see superstars mature in all sorts of different ways. Just causing agony for their opponent.
Into the corner now. Pinpointing the leg. In the corner. Being hobbled like that, something to keep an eye on. Set up for the Russian leg sweep. She can end it here. Denied a 2 count there.
Yeah, she probably knew that cover wouldn't do it.
Ooh, stomp to the back.
Double stop.
Everything's going against her now.
Yeah, she needs to revise her methods quickly.
Climbing the turnbuckle now.
We all know what she's looking to do next. From the top.
Big miss right there. Running Bulldog.
Able to counter. DDT. Clothesline.
Boom.
Boom. Very impressive array of strikes.
The lunar combo. And will this be it? And she's not done yet.
Impressive to not even allow a 2 count at this juncture.
So she tags in. Running crossbody.
Nicely done.
Buster. She's pushed into the corner. Oh, strikes with the back elbow. And a tag there.
Ooh, stop to the back.
Double stop.
Here's her tag.
Waist slip.
Yeah, raw power there.
Spine buster.
Extending their opponent's arm and a big leg drop.
Arm bar.
That attack was definitely pre-calculated, hoping to greatly diminish the power in that arm.
Making that shoulder vulnerable. In full control of their opponent with more in mind.
Discus punch.
And she is feeling the electricity from the crowd now.
She gets it. Running crossbody.
Nicely done.
She's feeling the hurt here.
What a spine buster.
You can tell a fire's been lit inside of her.
She's efficient and dangerous with her offense thus far.
Just a nasty headbutt.
She begins to stir back up, but doesn't look good.
Uh-oh.
Suicide dive.
Just exhibiting their fearlessness.
Exhibiting guts and accuracy as well.
Oh, and a forearm.
Both knees into the face.
Vicious forearm right in the skull.
Elbow thrown, saying not today.
It's that time.
A pin drop. Tag made. Sends the knee into the face. That'll stop you.
Got it. There's the winners of the tag match.
Here are your winners.
Rules are rules, and the referee deemed this one a count out.
I hate a count out. I feel cheated, and I know the WWE Universe feels cheated.